Okay, so today we're going to be doing Chapter 9, Lesson 4. We're going to be subtracting like fractions. It's kind of an extension of what we did yesterday in Lesson 3. So, think of subtracting like fractions as separating parts that refer to the same whole. To subtract like fractions, subtract the numerators and keep the same denominator. So, 4/5 minus 2/5 equals 2/5, because 4 minus 2 is 2. The denominator stays the same. Now we have 8/10 minus 5/10 equals 3/10. 8 minus 5 is 3. 10 minus 10, denominators stay the same. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the math in my world. Example 1. Liliana jogged 5/8 of a mile on Monday and 3/8 of a mile on Tuesday. How much farther did she jog on Monday? Now remember, keywords here, how much farther did she jog? Much farther, it would indicate that we have to show a difference, which means subtract. So, we are going to subtract 5/8 minus 3/8. Subtract the numerators. Keep the same denominator. So, 5/8 minus 3/8. So we're going to do 5 minus 3, which is 2/8. They've shown us here with models because they put 5 unit fractions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They've crossed out the ones that we're subtracting, which is 3/8, and we've gotten 2/8. Now remember, we have to always put our answers in simplest form, and so we can do some stuff to 2/8 to get it to simplest form. Now remember, you want to find the largest number, the greatest common factor that can divide into the numerator and the denominator to get the smallest number. So we've chosen 2 here. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so 1/4 right here. You can see right here that we have the 2/8 and the 1/4. We're checking our work with models, and those are the same size. So Liliana jogged 1/4 mile farther on Monday. Okay, so now we're going to go to example 2. Right. We're going to find 7/10 minus 5/10. You can also use number lines to subtract like fractions. Okay? Instead of doing fraction tiles, we can check our work using number lines. Okay? So count back 5 groups of 1/10, so 5 unit fractions to remove 5/10 from 7/10, because we want to know 7/10 minus 5/10. So if we were doing it, we would go 7 minus 5 over 10. We know 7 minus 5 is 2, so the answer is 2/10. So if you can do this on number line here, and you would start at 7 and count backwards, so you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we end on 2/10. Right. Okay, so that worked out perfectly. So we're going to simplify this fraction. 2/10 equals 2/10. The greatest common factor, the largest number that can divide into both is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 7/10 minus 5/10 is 1/5. And they did the same thing here. Okay, they just counted back and just see it right here. 7/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Good luck with the guided practice.